Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add emoji and stickers in your TikTok videos. So in here, what you need to do first is of course open the TikTok apps, and then let's just click on the click on the plus button to start posting a TikTok video. And after this, here I'm going to just record a video, for example right here. Okay, just record, or you can also upload a video from your gallery. After that, you can click on a check icon, and here to easily add emoji or stickers, you can just click on this stickers option here on the right panel. You can see stickers, and here you can just choose the stickers that you want. For example, I'm going to just add the time stickers in here. Okay, this one, for example, you can adjust the position and the size to how you like it. And after that, if you want to add emoji, you can click on the sticker button again, then tap on the emoji tabs, and in here you can just select the emoji that you want. Click on it and place it how you like it, and just like that, the emoji and also stickers will be attached to your TikTok videos. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.